Gala प्रश्न पेपर 1 English MCQs 1. That old chair has go. Who said their words? Answer: Mom. Question 2. What was the condition of the chair? Answer: faded and worn. 3. Mom asked John to help her take the chair. Answer is to the footpath. Question 4. What is the explorer base tell through their dance? Answer: direction and distance of flower. 5th. The suffer dance means. Answer is the we should be ready for the long fight. 6. Newborn babies sleep for blank hours. Answer: 20. The habit of sleeping in bed. Answer: comfortable. 8. How much time we do sleep? Answer: 1/3 of lives. 9. How many hours of sleep do education need? Answer: 7. 10. Old people are good. Answer is taking short naps. 11. What is this data? Answer: advisement. 12. How many years has the school completed? Answer is 25 years. Venue means. Answer is place. 14. This invitation is sent by the. Answer is a school. 15. Select the word having the nearest meaning. Postponed means daily. Sold, remote. Answer is far off. 17. Slim. Answer is thin. 18. Boast. Answer is show off. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blanks. 19. What was the teacher blank about your marks? Answer is comment. 20. Near my house there is ground where I see a blank of sparrow flock. 21. The perching of the sand blank my soul and renounced the worldly pursuits. Answer is awakened. 22. Cephali is a blank little girl. Answer is pretty.
શ્રી સરસ્વતી ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ આવો અને અમારી સફળતાના સહભાગી બનો. Our website is www.johukummereaaka.com. Our Facebook is Success of SSI. YouTube link Sri Saraswati Institute. We have digital classroom and learning mobile app. Sri Saraswati Institute. Inspired by God. 1 to 10 and 11, 12 Science, Commerce, Arts, English and Gujarati medium. CBSE, NCERT, GSEB, personal and group tuition, spoken English. Mobile 99040201111. Mobile 9687069222. Thank you.